as above, so below. What does that really mean? If something means this, it's also going to mean this. I have a core belief that everything resonated from darkness itself. Just close your eyes, and then that's it. Most of us in society are experiencing not the best lives, okay? We're experiencing emotions that we definitely don't want to experience, and a lot of us take pride in that. But did you know that the same feelings on the other end of the spectrum, joy, happiness, abundance, peacefulness, Jeremiah James Schwartz, a rock Shakar. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because I'm posting videos every day. So I'll also make sure you hit the notification bell. I'm posting videos every single day. These are high quality videos. They're good, and they will transform your life if you really take the things that I'm saying for granted. And you use that to help manifest the life around you that you want to live. This will really transform your life. So take that as an opportunity. Okay, this is not watered down. This is real life, guys. This is real life. So without further ado, let me go straight into the message. Okay, so today's message is going to be very powerful because you're going to resonate with it. Okay? Who is the person that told you you can't do it? Okay, who is the person that told you you're a piece of shit? Who is the person that said you can't be successful? Who is the person that said you can't achieve what you put your mind to? Who's the person that told you to get out of focus? Who's the person that told you to just let everything go and just be a speck of dust in the wind? Who is the person that tried to lead you off your course? Now I'm gonna switch it up on you guys. That person is inside of you. Okay, that is a part of who you are, first and foremost. But second, it is also external. So it's not just you. Do not just blame yourself. It is also external. But you need to take responsibility at the same time because it is you. It is 50% you and it is 50% outside of you. Okay? And you need to understand that. What I want you to do is I want you to build a fire inside of you. This soul burning passion and fire for all the things that were wrongly done to you. And I want you to take that energy, I want you to take that ball of energy, of that flame, and I now want you to be creative. I want you to think of what you want to achieve on this earth. Okay, I want you to look inward and then feel outward. Okay, I want you to be able to see something that you want to create and take that flame of power and energy from the people that did you wrong, and I want you to put that flame towards that. I want you to grab that flame and usher it in towards your own success. Because if you're using that flame to blame yourself, or if you're using that flame to just blame other people, and you're not going to take action, it's okay to blame things, it's okay, but if you're not taking action, you're wasting your energy. If you're just blaming people for your downfall and you're not taking initiative to take steps up, then you're worthless. You need to stop. You are wasting time. You are wasting not only your own time, but you're wasting my time. You're wasting other people's time. And the more people like that are going to cause more people to be like that. So we need to reverse engineer that shit. Now, thankfully, we're in a generation where people are starting to become more aware. That's why I'm here right now, because there's a big shift coming. 2020 to 2026, mark my words. Big spiritual shift where people are going to start realizing these things that I'm talking about. It's okay to use anger. It's okay to use aggression. I mean, as you guys can tell, I come in front of this camera like a burning flame myself. Okay, I come in front of this camera with a passion for all the things that I know I've been through, all the things that I've experienced, and now I can share it with you guys. I think that's one of the most powerful things. And I know all speakers, all powerful speakers, all successful speakers, they do the same thing. So I want you to take that burning passion. Maybe it's hatred. Maybe you have hatred towards people. Maybe you have the meanest resentment. Maybe you have some strong jealousy or envy. And I want you to carve out this flame from all of those things. Maybe it's extreme depression. Maybe it's sadness. Maybe it's loneliness. Take that energy and carve it into a flame and take that flame now, push it into you becoming the best you can ever be. Push it into your own success, because nothing can stop you other than yourself. Okay, I want you to realize that there is nothing in front of your path that is going to be the hardest enemy to overcome. Will be yourself. Okay, that's it. The hardest enemy you will ever come in contact will be yourself. Now, there will be enemies. You will have people that are meant to try and stop you, but that doesn't mean that that's a bad thing. Okay, that's meant to come down your path so that you can overcome. Okay, think about it like this: if there was a king and there was another king, and they were at war with each other, one king says to the other king, "Hey, we're gonna be there tomorrow. We're taking over." The other king is not saying, "Oh, okay, I'm just gonna let it go. You're probably lying. All right, cool. Go ahead, take over." The other king is preparing his castle. He's setting his troops up. He's got the archers. He's got the soldiers. He's got the horsemen. He's got the guys holding the shields. He's got the flank set up. He's got his strategy set up so that when the enemy comes, he's going to counteract them. He's going to know exactly what they're doing because he's done this before. And if he hasn't done it before, then he's coming with the highest energy that he has to make sure he doesn't let any loose ends by. He's going to make sure he conquers so that his people can be safe, so that his queen can be safe, so that his children can be safe. This is more primal than you guys think, okay? And this is how it is. We are in a world of survival of the fittest. There's just been a lot of distractions away from what we've really been and what we really are. So step out of those distractions, step out of that petty bullshit, and realize what's really going on. Realize that we can take full initiative, full control of our destinies and of our lives. And then we can take all those wrongdoings that have been done to us by us and by other people, and we can carve that into this massive ball of energy, of momentum, to then push it into your own success, whatever you want to be successful at, because you can be successful doing anything. So that's what I'm going to wrap it up, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I love you guys. Universal Mastery, and peace.